This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, it is October 18th, 2018. This one here I got a call from a guy with an oil furnace. He says the fan is not blowing through the house. The burner's running, power vent is running, but the fan's not spinning down below. So I think it's a RUD unit, oil fired RUD unit. So I'm on my way over there to see what I can do for the guy. I got voltage coming in here, 24 volts, power coming in, nothing coming out. So I got a new board here for it. It comes with little instructions on how to wire it all off. Different relay. Got his filters in backwards here. See these filters? Got them in backwards. Put it in this way. The greatest filter in the world, I'll tell you.
I got another filter.
You got any more filters?
Yeah, I got a new one.
Now you gotta put the reinforcement towards the fan.
Oh, all right.
Because you had it backwards.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You got another one, or put a new one in there?
Yeah, I got a new one.
Yeah, so that's what it was. That's what it was. That relay that was bad.
The relay was good. Oh, good. Okay.
So we put a new one in there. That's the only one they got. They got that board now. So.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, give me the filter.
Yeah, it's right there now.
Oh, okay.
I need the headrest things. So it's back with you.
It's working.
Good. Thanks. Yeah, so the reinforcement goes towards the...
Yeah, because the reinforcement's there, so the fan can't pull the filter apart.
Ah, alright.
There's probably an arrow also. It's not the greatest setup here to get this thing in.
I know it's a pain in the balls.
But once you get it in there...
Once you get in, it's alright, yeah, you get it.
Alright. That's better. I was just here a couple of days ago doing a cleaning. The fan was running at that time, so they called me back. I put a new fan relay board in there. That's what it was.